What up, y'all? It's your boy. It is about 3:30, 3:45, something like that. We finna pound all the way back, baby. It's like 16 hours and something, man, for me. Since I'm not all the way in Daytona, so this time it's just an hour shorter because I'm in St. Augustine. So we finna fire Khrome up and we finna get out of here, baby. Yeah, man. It's been raining last night. We got a rain suit on. See you. Have a good one. We out of here, baby. We are out of here. 1,037 miles. I would do another saddle sore, but I'm already full of gas, so I'm not even worried about that. But 16 hours, what it's showing right now, I'm sure around about 8:08, but I know that ain't right. I'll be home by 9:30. Cause last year I think I got home about 10:30, something like that. But since I'm not, like I say, all the way in Daytona, I'm here in St. Augustine. So yeah, I got the rain suit on just in case. But me and Khrome is out of here. It was a good time. Daytona 2024. It was a good time, y'all. Good time. Met a lot of new people, a lot of new friends. Hey, and some riding friends that stay right in McKinney, right down the street from me. Ain't even a good 10 minutes. So yeah, we'll get out of here. Get home and see what's cooking, baby. But I know my children, my wife would be glad to see me when I get there, man. So I've been gone since when I pulled out Wednesday. So yeah, it's been a journey. I know a lot of people think I'm crazy for riding like this, but you know what, man? I better do it while I'm young, you know what I'm saying? I better do it while I'm young, because I get older, a little bit older, I'm not doing this. I'm not riding like this. I'll be trailing this sucker. And if I come back next year, I'm going to trailer. I am not lying. I'm just going to trailer and have a comfortable ride going home. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, yeah, baby. We finna get on I-10, baby. We are putting in the miles. I don't know exactly where we at, but, man, we finna get on I-10 West and get on in there, man. Only thing I hate about their speed limits down here is just 70 miles an hour. It's nothing like Texas. So yeah, we done seen a couple of deers on side the road, so we just kind of taking it easy as we roll out, man. So yeah, so I just want to come over here and let you know where we at. 995 miles to go, y'all. That's a long ride, y'all. That's a long ride. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Hey, but you know what? We got this, man. Second year in a row doing this right here. We got this. So, but I get back up with you on the next one, baby. Probably be a gas stop, cause I'm gonna push this baby down to about 17 miles or maybe 30. Depends on where we at, you know what I'm saying? Cause you gotta make sure you can get fuel wherever you at out here. So, yeah, so don't bypass a gas station and you know you ain't got but 30 miles, man, go on get it in, man. So we can get on back. Oh man, it's a bad bump in the road right there. But I get up with y'all on the next one, baby.
What up, y'all? Nah, I had to start put this heated gear on, man. It started getting chilly. Yeah, we getting it in though, man. We getting it in. Ooh, boy, this much better. I'm finna plug in, doc. Finna plug in. Get that. That's why I take my heated gear, man.
Well, y'all, look like the daylight is coming up. Man, thank God. Oh my gosh, I was getting so freaking sleepy. Sleep got interrupted last night, but man, so I didn't sleep well. So, but it's coming up. Me and my boy BT back there. That's Bentron. Yeah, we are headed in. He's got a cut off from me. He's going to Little Rock, and I'm going on into Texas, baby. Big T-Town, baby. I'm from Tyler. From Texas, baby. Let's get it, man. But yeah, the speed limit down here, man, it's like 70, man. But I'm still 80 right now, 88. A little bit over 80. But we haven't seen any police yet, but I'm pretty sure as the daylight come out, we're probably gonna see some. So, but y'all, we get it in. We just kind of picked it up. Cause this morning it was all kind of deer out. Oh my God, we passed, I would say at least 4 or 5 families of deer. Just, I mean, it was crazy. So it was a bunch of deer out. But now we can see a little bit better. We had some rain last night, but thank God, I don't think we're gonna have any rain today going this way. So, but I know when I get toward Dallas, it's gonna get a little bit colder. It's supposed to be dropping down to 37. So it's gonna be dropping down as I'm coming into it. I didn't bring my lower of my pants. I didn't think I was gonna need them, but man, I know next time to bring everything. I got my gloves, and I got my heated vest, my heated jacket on, and that is really helping me out 100%. I ain't gonna even lie to you. And I got my fleece pants on, and I guarantee you can't really feel no wind come through these pants, but if I had my fleece, my heated gear up under here, oh man, I'd be so toasty right now. But I'm toasty at the top, and my hands are toasty. So, we on our way, baby. It's time to get to the house. Pensacola, 178 miles. But I think we are going that far. But yeah, we're gonna be branching off. I get up with y'all at the next gas stop, because we're gonna be stopping here probably another 100 miles. All right, peace.
What up, y'all? Your boy is tired. I'm like 500 some miles away from home. I'm sleepy. I'm 529 miles away from home. I got 8 hours to go. At least the gas done dropped a little bit cheaper. It was $4.25 everywhere else, but now it's $3.89. So yeah, I had to come off the I don't know if anybody waves be acting up. The waves been acting up. It had me going all kind of places. So I had to switch back to Old Faithful to Google Maps, and it's working perfect, man. But it took me off I-10 to a back country road, and it dropped some time and everything. So yeah, I'm good. I'm a little hoarse, but I'm good.
What up, y'all? It's your boy. Man, I'm in Jackson, Mississippi, man. I'm on Interstate 20, man. It's a straight shot to the house, baby. Yes, sir. I told you, your boy is getting to the crib, man. I am getting there safe and sound. I got to get behind the darn boat because he's bouncing like crazy. And don't want nothing to bounce off of it onto me. Man, Mississippi, I got to tell you this, man. Y'all gotta fix these roads, man. Y'all roads like Shreveport, Louisiana. Oh my gosh. Back there, y'all, it was terrible. Look at this right here. Oh. Look like they're trying to fix it right here. But man, them roads I just came in on is terrible, man. Terrible, terrible, terrible. But hey, man, your boy is getting it in. I am getting home. My wife said, if you're tired, just stop. and get off the bike. But I stop and get off the bike when I'm at the gas stop. That's the only time I'm stopping. Other than that, I'm pushing through. I got 400 miles left. I'll be there in 6 hours and 3 minutes, y'all. What? Another long ride. I ain't gonna say successful right now because I ain't made it there yet. But another long ride, and I'm blessed to be where I am right now. You see the sign right there say Vicksburg, North Jackson. But yeah, man, we getting it in, baby. We getting it in. But I just want to come on here and let you know where I'm at. And when I get ready to cross this Louisiana line, I'll probably be right back, or when I hit the Mississippi River. I gotta always get the Mississippi River, baby, because I like going across it, man. We going across the Mississippi River. Your boy is getting it in. I got 5 hours. I will be at the house. 360 miles to go. But yeah, your boy is definitely getting it in. Man, it's been a great ride, man. I got a little sleepy because I didn't sleep good last night, but other than that, it's been a great ride. It started out cold, but I got my heated gear. I got it on now in the gloves. So yeah, it's been a great ride. I didn't wear my heated bottom, so I'm good with that. Cause I got these fleece pants on, so I was okay. But man, we are making it to the house, man. Hey, it is nothing like ground pounding like this. I love it when I can get somewhere and get the job done. So I can, you know, that's just me. I'm a rider, man. You know what, y'all? I don't even call myself a ground pounder, dude, but people have put that on me that I was, because the way I ride. Because there's a lot of people that's not going to do 16 and 17 hours in one day. They're just not going to do it. To me, when I left this morning, since I wasn't all the way in Daytona, we stayed outside of Daytona at St. Augustine. So when I left, I think it was, like I said, I think it was 1,028 miles or 1,038 miles, one of the two. But I could have did my saddle sore, but man, I said I'm not even worried about that. I got that patch already. I'm good, so I don't have to go for it again. Not another 1,000 miles. If I do anything, it'll be the 1,500. But no, man, your boy is pounding the ground, man. So, hey, man, and y'all tell Mississippi to get these daggum roads fixed over here, man. When you first come in on Mississippi, on the other side. This side is good. Yeah, this side is good, man. But I had a great time down there hanging with all the YouTubers. I ain't gonna call names because there was so many content creators there hanging out, doing their thing, man. You can hear me, I'm a little hoarse, man. You know, you talking loud, trying to talk over that loud music and all that kind of stuff, and man, your boy kind of hoarse, so, but it's all good though, man. But look at it, it's a beautiful day. Got a little wind blowing, but man, other than that, woo, God is good, and all the time, God is good. So I'll see y'all when I get to Texas, man. I probably ain't gonna even stop through Louisiana. I'm gonna go straight through Louisiana and get on into Texas so I can get to the crib. Man, y'all see this right here? This is the Shreveport line. I'm finna cross over into Texas, baby. When I cross over into Texas, I'll be 2 hours and 40 minutes from my house. 2 hours and 40 minutes. I pulled an all-day ride from Daytona, Florida to Princeton, Texas. But I'm finna cross the Texas line right up here, and I'm gonna hear my thing say, welcome to Texas. But yeah, I am here, y'all. It was a long, long ride. Me and my boy broke off a long time ago. And you know, y'all know me, I don't have no problem riding solo at all. No problem at all riding solo. So yeah, welcome to Texas, baby. Y'all see the sign? Y'all see the sign? We left at about 5 to 10 minutes to 4 or something like that this morning. And now, right now, I'm looking at the clock, it's 4:34. So that's 12 hours to get to this line with all the 8 gas stops that I had to do. And then I still got, no, that's further, I'm sorry. That's a little bit further, I'm sorry. So, yeah. Let me see, right at 13 hours. So by the time I get home, yeah, I'll be at 17 hours, right at 17 hours. So yeah, same amount of time again. Same amount of time, all the gas stops. I'm back in Texas, baby. I'm on Texas soil, baby. Yeah, I'm on the good roads now, call here. Mississippi, Shreveport, Louisiana. Y'all roads is trash. Oh, forgive me for saying that, but they are, my bike was, oh my gosh. I hit so many bumps, man. I had to slow it down slow, man, because I didn't want to, I want to make it home. I want to be on the side of the road with a jacked up wheel and can't get to the house, you know what I'm saying? It ain't no Harley Davidson open on Sunday down this way that I know of. But yeah, your boy is almost at the house. But yeah, man, I'm gonna end this video right here, man. Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe for your boy. I'm a little hoarse, man. Man, you're gonna see a great video when it come out. I hope y'all enjoy the video when it come out. Man, make sure you comment on the video. Tell me what you think. You're gonna see a couple of little races. What I did, a little short races with some guys. And Khrome had to put it on some 131s and some T-Man 130s. So make sure that y'all check out the video and tell me what you think. But y'all, I got so many compliments on this bike talking about it's a runner. I ain't gonna tell you the people that said it, but there's some people that you respect and some people that you watch on YouTube. It wasn't just 1 or 2 or 3 of them. It was quite a few of them. I would say it was at least 4 of them. Like, man, your bike is a runner. But I won't call no names. I won't call no names, and I'm definitely not lying. So, but yeah. But man, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna wrap this up right here. Until next time, baby, the next grind. Hey man, y'all have a blessed one. It was good seeing all of y'all down at Daytona, and I appreciate you coming up, talking to me, shaking my hand. I really appreciate all the love and support. I'm out of here, baby. Peace. Y'all have a blessed one.